Cathie Wood, the founder and CEO of the investment management firm ARK Invest, has risen to be one of today's most popular and influential institutional investors. Her firm's flagship fund ARK Innovation ETF, ARKK, has returned 23.5% annually since its inception in 2014, outperforming the S&P 500's 14.6% annualized gain over the same period. The fund posted skyrocketing returns between 2019 and the February of 2021. On top of that, Wood predicted a 30 to 40% compound annual rate of return for ARK strategies over the next 5 years, based on its research on disruptive innovation over the period. Amid the declining market trend over the first trading week of 2022, Wood bought 442,456 shares of Palantir Technologies Incorporated, PLTR, 345,771 shares of Robinhood Markets Incorporated, HOOD, and nearly 80,000 shares of Teladoc Health Incorporated, TUC. Palantir Technologies Incorporated, PLTR. PLTR engages in the building and deploying software platforms for the United States intelligence community for assistance in counterterrorism investigations and operations. The company's offerings include Palantir Gotham, a software platform for government operations in the intelligence and defense sectors. On January 5, PLTR and Hyundai Heavy Industries, HHI, Group announced collaborating to build a big data platform for HHI's core businesses. Additionally, the companies would also consider establishing a joint venture. The collaboration should add to the company's profits. On December 20, PLTR and a biomolecular condensates company, DuPont Therapeutics, announced a partnership for PLTR's Foundry platform to DuPont's efforts. The multi-year agreement is expected to mark one of PLTR's most comprehensive partnerships with a biotechnology firm. For the fiscal third quarter ended September 30, PLTR's revenue increased 35.5% year-over-year to $392.15 million. Adjusted income from operations rose 58.9% from the prior year quarter to $116.11 million. Adjusted net income attributable to common stockholders came in at $82.08 million, up 50.6% from the same period prior year. The consensus EPS estimate of 5 cents for the quarter ending March 2022 indicates a 25% year-over-year increase. Likewise, the consensus revenue estimate for the same period of $439.16 million reflects an improvement of 32.2% from the prior year quarter. The stock has declined 1.1% intraday to close Friday's trading session at $16.56. Robinhood Markets Incorporated, HOOD. HOOD is a popular financial platform operator in the United States that allows users to invest in stocks, ETFs, options, gold, and cryptocurrencies. The company also offers various learning and education solutions. HOOD went public in a traditional IPO process on July 29, 2021, on the Nasdaq Global Select Market. The company priced its offering at $38 per share. The expected $1.89 billion net proceeds were intended to be used for working capital, capital expenditures, and funding its anticipated tax obligations. HOOD's total net revenues increased 35.4% year-over-year to $364.92 million in the fiscal third quarter ended September 30. This can be attributed to a rise of 32.2% from the same period prior year in transaction-based revenues to $266.80 million. The company's cash equivalent, segregated cash, and restricted cash balance came in at $10.61 billion, up 81.5% from the prior year quarter. Analysts expect HOOD's EPS to increase 90.2% year-over-year in the fiscal year 2022. Likewise, Street expects revenue for the same period to rise 22.6% from the fiscal year 2021 to $2.25 billion. HOOD stock has gained 2% intraday to close Friday's trading session at $15.89. Teladoc Health Incorporated, TOC. TOC is a virtual healthcare service provider in the United States and globally. The company offers technology and expertise for whole-person virtual care, covering various clinical conditions. On December 16, TOC announced an expanded partnership with the National Labor Alliance of Healthcare Coalitions, NLA, for offering its full portfolio of virtual care products and services. The partnership might prove to be beneficial for the company by improving access to whole-person care. On October 6, TOC made its primary care service, Primary 360, available to commercial health plans and for employers or organizations that sponsor healthcare services. About this service availability, Donna Boyer, Chief Product Officer at Teladoc Health, said, "Primary 360 has the unique power to drive the unified healthcare experience that consumers are demanding by removing long-standing barriers like access, cost and convenience. For the fiscal third quarter ended September 30th, TUC's revenue increased 80.6% year-over-year to $521.66 million. Adjusted gross profit and adjusted EBITDA improved 91.5% and 70.5% from the prior year quarter to $352.62 million and $67.37 million, respectively. Street EPS estimate for the fourth fiscal quarter of 2021 reflects a rise of 81.1% year-over-year. Likewise, Street revenue estimate of $543.36 million for the same period indicates an increase of 41.8% from the prior year quarter. TUC's shares have gained 0.5% intraday to close Friday's trading session at $82.18. Thank you for watching this video, we appreciate your continued support. For more daily news, please subscribe to our channel. This is Economics Empire, and we'll see you in the next one.